Hi guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. As you can see, I've got a huge box today, and I'm going to be unboxing it while trying out one of Doka Ryan's newest creations, Cinnamon Altoids in Fireball Whiskey. So, daj Bože. Ooh, that's some spicy pepper. That's actually pretty good. Nice. So, let's get to work. This, that is quite spicy. So this box, at first the delivery went wrong. Unfortunately, the courier was DHL, so something really stupid happened and the box was returned to Wooting, and they sent it again, hence why it's a little bit late. It was a very bad week for shipments, unfortunately. I had 3 shipments get lost or returned or, fake delivered. When they say they attempted a bunch of deliveries, but they never did, obviously. So that was a bit unfortunate that week. But now, at least we got this one in, thankfully. Bam, that's one, and Jesus Christ, they put so much in this. I was going to say, I didn't expect a box as big as this, but now I think I can see why. I have to be very careful not to hit my own shot glass. Holy guacamole. Dude, what is all this? and this. Okay. So, I think, sorry if this is very loud in the microphone, but at least I think that was all it. Now, let's have a look at what the hell they all sent me. It's nice, I like it. So, first of all, double shot PBT, keycaps. Whew, man. There's a lot of cinnamon altoids in there. Holy shit. Module. Okay. I wasn't entirely sure whether this was a kick keyboard or not. It didn't say so on the Kickstarter, but I think I read somewhere that it might be, or something, and I'm starting to believe that it might be, because this is the case, and this is the other case, the zinc alloy one, and these are the switches. I already saw that. Oh, the L45, I don't think I've tried them yet. The lighter version of the lekker switches. Interesting. So, yeah, the Kickstarter they launched was very successful. I think it raised 7.5 million euros or something like that, which is quite a lot for a keyboard. So yeah, let's start with the smaller boxes first. The switches should be really fairly self-explanatory. Oh, look at that, there's a little pot in there. Okay, they look a little bit different from what I remembered. But, yeah, it's actually not that different. It's just a different plunger color. I didn't realize it was this amber colored. I thought they were more yellow. Well, in any case, that's one. Then the keycaps. I don't know if these are going to be the same as on the other models. Let's have a look. I've viewed quite a few models of Wooting keyboards now, so Wooting US, ANSI, UK, ISO, double shots, PBT backlit, keycap set, just black is the name. Okay, so no fancy colors here. Here was this little heart symbol under the lip here. Wootings are such geeks. Wooting is such geeks, I like it. Okay. go. Yes, well, they're not lying. It's just black. I mean, obviously it has lettering on it. They look... I think these are just the same caps they normally use. Which is fair. And for my fellow ISO brothers, it does have an ISO enter, as I mentioned earlier. I mean, I'll use ANSI if needed, but I do still prefer ISO. And I prefer big-ass enter over that, but who the hell does that nowadays? Another thing that should be brought back. Oh. Man, I made this cocktail really spicy. I put a whole tin of cinnamon Altoids in the jar. Let's see. You with us, challenging the industry. It's actually not that inappropriate in my case. Okay, of course, the California Cancer and Reproductive Harm warning. I think they put down everything in their dog nowadays. Okay. Christ. Okay. So there's another box inside this box, and it's quite snugly in there. So, fucking hell, come here. Okay, fuck this shit. A lot of cardboard in total, actually. Right, so here we have the module. Remember what I said about Wooting being geeks? Yeah, look at what's underneath the sockets. Okay, so let's see. Is this their usual postcard? They usually sell keyboards with postcards. Yes, I think I am right. Yeah. Greetings from Wooting with a bunch of cheese and canals. That's extremely Dutch, of course. That's a nice touch. Right, be careful installing your switches. You might damage the PCBA. We recommend installing north facing for default use. And with the exception for ISO enters. Fair enough. Then let's unwrap this little piggy. Just get something to put this on. Cool. So that's a big ass gasket that already comes pre-installed. Yeah, but it's not foam. It's plastic. It's a plastic gasket, and beneath that I think is foam. Yeah, so it's actually not a gasket. It's the mounting plate. Okay, well, it looks very full, and what the hell? It looks almost like they put an instruction sheet on the back, saying what each component is and what not. Probably helps with assembly. So, for example, underneath here is a multiplexer. It combines multiple sensors into one signal. Underneath here are the light bar LEDs. Oh, no, so it's not actually assembly instructions. It just tells what all the components are. So, that's actually kind of cool. Nice. This is the filter capacitor. It keeps power stable. The LED driver. Ah, nice. Okay. Well, I guess I can leave that on, actually. I thought it was loose, but it's stuck on there. That's fair. I think I can leave that here. Then let's go for case 1. So one of the things that's special about this keyboard is that it's an analog Hall effect keyboard with a metal case. But I guess you can get it in two options, because this is definitely not a metal case, and I think this is. So that's probably just two options that they shipped me. Interesting that they chose to go for an 80% option. Not sure why. I see 75% quite commonly nowadays. And of course, TKL is a very popular what's it called, form factor. But they only ever made one full size and a 60%. I guess they tend to stray away from normal form factors, it feels like. And I really think they should, if this is a nice one, they should do this in a full size as well. It's 80%, I don't know, that's fine, I guess. It's just like 75%, but with a few extra keys here. That's alright, I guess, but I don't know, I really would like some more full-size keyboards. So few keyboards I get sent nowadays are full sizes. Recording stopped automatically. I forgot to turn it off in time. So I was saying this, not sure how much you guys missed, but we'll see. It's probably not that bad. This looks like it should be feet or something. I've never seen feet like this before, though. Oh my god, Jesus Christ. Excuse me. A lot of overpressure. Oh, so this one says 10 degrees on it, and this one says 9, 6, and 10. Oh, no, it's 2 times 6 and 2 times 10. Yeah, so you can probably elevate it to different angles with those. Sometimes you can see different sets of flip out feet, or one set of feet with different positions, but it's not very often that you get separate sets of detachable feet with which you can change the angle. I'm not sure I've ever seen that before, actually. No, I have seen that before, come think of it, but it's rare. Switch and key puller. Interesting. I don't know this this design yet. Cool. That's that little bag done. And then there is, yeah, that's definitely a very lightweight case. A very lightweight case. This thing is absolutely nothing. So this is made out of semi-transparent plastic. Blah 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 blah. We made the Wooting 80HE for you. Please take good care of her. Love, the Wooting team. Okay, so yeah, this is one option I guess you can use. It's probably a cost difference. I'm not sure that the keyboard comes with both cases by default. That would be well, a bit excessive, I would think. And then we go to the big box. Again, this box is very big. Must be a lot more than just a case in here, because what case is this huge? Well, I know an answer to that question, but it doesn't make sense in this context. Oh, yeah, I should have known that, actually. It's a carrying case. I forgot how much the MSRP, or at least the pledge amount for this keyboard was. But it makes sense that it's a somewhat luxurious keyboard, right? It's not going to be, $50 or something. So a carry case is it's not a bad thing. Come on, come on. Cool. So yeah, so this has got it all in it. Cable. Interesting design. And some terry fold flaps. In here, I guess more feet. Gotta be right. Yeah, more feet. Same thing. Switch pillow is white instead of black, but this is the same content basically. So I tuck that back in here, and then I think I heard a story that I don't know if it's true, but wasn't it something like Wooting asked, "Who do you want to review this keyboard?" And then some people on Reddit said it should be me or something like that. I don't know if that's true. I haven't looked at that, but that would be cool. In that case, thank you guys. I'll happily take a look at it. Seems a lot of volume in here, so it's probably padding to keep the keyboard safe, which makes sense. I guess that's why you end up with, you know, a box that's that much bigger than the keyboard. Cool. And the design is exactly the same, except it's made out of metal rather than I can't express how light this case is. If you want portability, this is a much better choice. This thing is a lot heavier. So I saw on the box, it didn't say aluminium, it said zinc alloy. So I'm guessing that this is Zamac or something very similar, but it's probably Zamac. In the airsoft community, we call that Chinesium sometimes. 222. This. See. How do I have to unscrew it? I guess. I kind of wonder what this little paper label cover here is. Yeah, it looks very Zamac-y. So if I take away the foam mat. Oh wow, that's cool. If I take away the foam mat, you can see the pattern on the metal. That sort of zinc alloy kind of pattern on it. That makes a lot of sense. But I think the names in here are the names from the Wooting team, because I recognize a whole bunch of names, including the founders. So yeah, that's nice. That must be one happy bunch. Cool. Right. Not entirely sure how it was in. Yeah, it was in this direction. That's fine. Cool. Well, it's gonna obviously take a little bit of time to assemble all this, and yeah, that's very much outside the scope of this video to cover that. But well, you'll see it back in a review down the line anyway. In the meantime, I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you next time, guys.